Stop! Do not advertise on Facebook because Apple's iOS 14 update changes everything, and I mean everything, right? I'm not kidding here, so stop running Facebook ads until you get your hands on this breakthrough technology that gives you up to 10x return on your ad spend. That's right, thanks to this cutting edge technology that I just discovered, I'm getting over 10x return on ad spend on some of my ads. And here's the best part, this technology is 100% ready for the iOS 14 update as well as all the other future updates from the big tech. Yet it doesn't require any of the technical mumbo jumbo on your part. You'll get ready to use it in just a few simple clicks without changing anything else in your ad account or funnels. It's like magic. I'll share all about this technological development and how you too can get consistent profitable results with it in a minute. But first, let me just get back to iOS 14 and how it changes everything we know about Facebook ads in 2021 and beyond. Hey, my name is Dr.Tamari. I'm an online entrepreneur and I love Facebook ads. My businesses rely on Facebook ads to generate new customers and bring profits. In fact, I spent over $3 million of my own money on Facebook ads over the past few years, and I've helped over 27,000 small businesses, media buyers, and agency owners grow with Facebook ads. So I was naturally concerned about the new iOS 14 update when I first heard about it, and I had many sleepless nights wondering how it would actually affect my business. And if you're sharing these concerns, or you've already been intimidated by Facebook ads and somehow avoided it until now, then I actually got great news for you, because after weeks of detailed research and rigorous testing, I discovered an ethical strategy to game the Facebook ads platform that's 100% compliant and safe to use. And it's the only way that I know to run consistent profitable ads after the iOS 14 update. But don't worry, I'm not gonna tease you about a brand new course or anything like that. Instead, I'm going to give away the strategy right here, right now in this video. So if you're curious about my unique solution for the post iOS 14 world, I'm going to bet my next $3 million in ad spend on super video audiences. Now, if you're wondering, okay, Wilco, what is a super video audience? Well, I'll get into that in just a minute. But first, let me explain why you should care. First of all, using super video audiences is the only reliable solution after the iOS 14 update. Secondly, super video audiences are guaranteed to work even after future updates from big tech like Apple or Google. And number three, you can reach your target audience 50 times longer than usual, whereas pixel-based audiences can only go up to 7 days on iOS devices going forward. And number four, super video audiences offer detailed segmentation like no other. So you can segment people who watched at least 3 seconds or 10 seconds of your video, or 25% or 50, 75, 95%, which means you have total control over the kind of prospects that you'd like to target. And lastly, super video audiences are profitable. Please take a look at this screenshot right here. It's a recent screenshot that I got this month directly from one of my ad accounts. And as you can see, on average, I'm getting a 4.83x return on my ad spend. And one campaign is actually getting me a 10.37x ROAS. And that is the power of super video audiences. And it's 100% compatible for the post iOS 14 world. And if this sounds intriguing, then I'm happy to announce that you too can now create highly profitable super video audiences in minutes from now using my brand new software, ConnectVideo. ConnectVideo is a breakthrough software that helps you create profitable super video audiences in record time. And that's actually not an exaggeration, because you can start using the power of ConnectVideo in less than 2 minutes. And while it's simple and fast on the outside, what it does in the background is truly revolutionary. Not only does it save you a huge amount of time, but it also equips your Facebook ad account with secret superpowers. Again, it's like magic. You set up ConnectVideo once and it leverages every single video you've ever posted to your Facebook or Instagram business pages. It even helps you leverage all the videos that you will be posting to Facebook or Instagram in the future. And it lets you create super video audiences to create profitable ad campaigns. And no other tool can do what ConnectVideo does, not even Facebook's native tools. So let me give you a quick demo of how easy it is to use ConnectVideo. First of all, you connect your Facebook ad account to ConnectVideo. And by the way, this is something that you need to do only once. So after the initial setup, you can use ConnectVideo over and over without, repeating this step. Secondly, pick your criteria for creating your super video audiences. Bam, just like that. And number three, that's it. There are no more steps. It's fast, it's easy. There are literally no complicated steps. And that's because ConnectVideo is designed to do all the heavy lifting for you. Once you've created your super video audience, every video that you've posted on your Facebook business page or your Instagram business profile will be automatically included, which will be updated on a daily basis automatically by us as well. In other words, you only have to set it up once, and ConnectVideo will keep adding all your future videos into the audience as well. And besides leveraging all the videos that you're publishing on your pages, we're currently currently also working together with Facebook to leverage all your ad videos as well, making it even easier to build up large audiences to target. So please feel free to check out the rest of this page for more details of how ConnectVideo works. But in its essence, you can sit back and ConnectVideo helps you reap all the profits almost without lifting a finger. And it's 100% compliant with Facebook's policies. And that's because I created ConnectVideo for Facebook advertisers as a Facebook advertiser myself. So I can't risk, focusing on short-term strategies, for example. Besides, I have the responsibility of serving so many top-notch marketers, names like Russell Brunson, Tim Burd, Ryan Dice, Mike Fossane, Roland Frazier, Nicholas Kuchman, Neil Patel. They might sound familiar to you. Well, they've all been using and or recommending my software tools over the past couple of years. And ConnectVideo is my latest breakthrough. And despite its ease of use, it comes with powerful features. First and foremost, ConnectVideo is ready for the iOS 14 update. It'll work like wonders even after the iOS 14.5 update takes full effect. Simply put, it's the only guaranteed way to protect your ad performance from getting hindered by that update. Secondly, this technology behind ConnectVideo doesn't rely on any hacks that will go out of style shortly. Super video audiences are here to stay, even if Apple or Google imposes new limitations in the future. And here's the best part, it just takes a few clicks to set up your super video audiences using ConnectVideo. No migration, no import, exports, nothing. Just a few clicks and you're ready to go. And it truly is automatic. ConnectVideo does its magic behind the scenes without you lifting a finger. And it can go back in time as well. So if you want, everyone who watched any of your videos over the last year will be included in your super video audience automatically. And remember that pixel-based audiences are limited to 7 days on iOS, while super video audiences give you the power of viewer interaction for a full 365 days. And last but not least, you can use ConnectVideo for all your business pages on Facebook and Instagram. If you want, you can actually combine video views from both Facebook and Instagram into one super video audience in 2 simple steps. It just works how you want it to work. Sounds good? Then you might be wondering, how much does ConnectVideo cost? Well, ConnectVideo is our latest tool for Facebook advertisers. Thousands of small business owners and digital marketers pay us $97 per month for our existing tools. And when you do the math, it comes down to $1,164 per year. Now, this is the real life value of these tools because we're continuously improving and optimizing them to keep them compliant and working with Facebook's latest changes. Besides, ConnectVideo is running behind the scenes at all times on our service to create automatically updated super video audiences whenever you upload a new video on Facebook or Instagram. So it's quite a server intensive tool. And that's why we're going to offer ConnectVideo with a monthly subscription as well. And it will normally be $97 per month or $997 for a year when you pay in advance. But today, I'm not going to ask you to pay this much. In fact, I'm going to do something crazy because I'm going to make this a no-brainer offer by adding never seen before bonuses. I don't like to brag, but I know a thing or two about creating videos that grow businesses, right? Please take a look at this screenshot. This video right here got over 9,000 likes, almost 1,000 comments, and over 880 shares. And this one video literally put millions into my pocket, and you can do the same. And that's because I just put together a brand new course, and in this program, you'll discover how to create videos even if you hate being in front of a camera. My time-tested secrets for creating videos that get your target audience to know, like, and trust you so that they'll be your biggest fans or repeat customers, and how to create low-budget videos that bring you new sales without expensive gear or complicated software. A simple trick that you can add into any video what lets Facebook serve you more views at an ongoing basis, as well as a strategy to get people to watch your videos without having to spend a dime up front, even if you don't have an audience yourself yet, right? And more, a lot more as well. So even if you're already using video, you wouldn't want to skip this all new crash course. It'll be a game changer for any business owner or marketer out there. And it's my gift for anyone who gets access to ConnectVideo today. But that's not all, because if you're going to run Facebook ads in 2021 and beyond, I have another bonus for you. As I've said before, the iOS 14 update will change everything we know about Facebook advertising. Lucky for you, ConnectVideo brings the ultimate technology to beat most of the problems on reaching your secret fans and hottest buyers. But if you want to discover more about the iOS 14 update and everything else you can do to optimize your ads and boost your results, then you'll get a private invitation to my upcoming live workshop, Targeting in a post-iOS 14 world. In this special workshop, I'll reveal what exactly does the iOS 14 mean for advertisers and why should you even care. My step-by-step instructions on how I got my own ads manager, my websites and checkout pages ready for optimal results, and how to turn all these upcoming changes to your advantage. Because remember, every new obstacle brings new opportunities as well, but many people miss them, and here's your chance to beat the competition and win the hearts of your potential customers with my little known secrets. Plus, you'll have a chance to ask all your questions during the workshop or submit them ahead of the call if that's your preference and get my expert advice. And in this special event, I'll leave no stone unturned. You'll get all your questions answered when it comes to the iOS 14 update, potential threats, unseen opportunities, and the future of Facebook ads for your industry. So when you get access to ConnectVideo today, you'll get a private invitation to this live and exclusive workshop as well. But I'm not fully done yet, because I have one more bonus for you. Because over the last 5 years, my team and I built a powerful software platform to make Facebook ads way more effective using clever automation. It's called Connect Suite, and you'll receive 30 days of unlimited access to this Facebook marketing suite, which helps you to fully automate cumbersome tasks, make impossible targeting goals possible, grow your email list faster, save you an enormous amount of time, and more. Just one of these 5 tools will help you turn $1 into $5, $7, or even $10 easily. Plus, you'll save a ton of time in your day-to-day operations. This is a game-changer software suite for anyone running Facebook ads, and you'll get 30 days of full access to it for absolutely free. But that's not all, because Connect Suite also comes with exclusive access to our private Inner Circle workshops. We run these workshops on the first Wednesday of each month, and each month's workshop focuses on one important topic around marketing or Facebook advertising. And in these workshops, we skip the theory and show you what's working now in the trenches. So during your 30-day free trial, you'll have a chance to join at least one of these workshops live and get to experience how it feels to be in the same room with the smartest people in the advertising world. Plus, you get instant access to our entire collection of replays. When you get your hands on ConnectVideo today, you'll also get 30 days free access to all the Connect Suite tools and the Inner Circle workshops. And on top of all of these bonuses, for the next few days only, you'll even get ConnectVideo with a lifetime deal. That's right, no monthly subscriptions, no yearly renewals, no hidden costs for ConnectVideo whatsoever. So if you were to stay with ConnectVideo for, let's say, 3 years, that would normally cost you more than $2,900 US. But to celebrate the launch of this brand new and breakthrough technology, I'm not going to ask you to pay that much. In fact, I'm not even going to ask you to pay $997 today. And this might come as a surprise, but I'm not even going to ask you to pay $497 for this, although ConnectVideo could mean tens of thousands of dollars per year in extra revenue for any business. Until the countdown timer on this page hits 0, you get your hands on ConnectVideo with a lifetime deal for only, wait for it, for only $197. That's right, a single payment of $197 and ConnectVideo will be yours, including all the future updates and all the bonuses I've shared so far. So just click on the big button below this video to get instant access to ConnectVideo with a lifetime license. And do it before the countdown timer hits 0. And like all of our products, this is completely guaranteed. So I'm giving you a full 30-day money-back guarantee. Get ConnectVideo with a lifetime deal today, and you'll get instant access to everything I've listed above with 0 risk. So here's the deal. Either you love every part of this offer, including the ConnectVideo software, all the bonus materials, and the results you'll be getting, or you can just send a short email to my customer support team within the first 30 days of your purchase, and you get all your money back 100%. I shoulder all the risk for you. So you can click on the order button below with total confidence. And if you're wondering, yes, there is a catch, because while I'm currently offering ConnectVideo at a huge discount and with a lifetime license, I'm going to remove this offer in a few short days. Just check the countdown timer on this page. Once it hits 0, this lifetime deal for ConnectVideo and all the exclusive bonuses will actually be gone forever. And let me assure you, this is not fake scarcity. It's an honest attempt to help you take action today. And that's because once the iOS 14 update takes full effect, every single day without using ConnectVideo will mean wasted time, energy, and profits for you. But it doesn't have to be that way. So despite what's going on with Facebook ads or the iOS 14 update, I envision something better for everyone watching this video up to this point. And that's why I'm offering this cutting edge software plus all the bonuses for a ridiculously low price of a single payment of $197. And even though it's a one-time investment for a lifetime deal, I'm 100% sure it'll deliver an ongoing return for any business owner who gives it a try. So hit that button right now and you'll get instant access to ConnectVideo, and you'll get a special invitation to all the bonuses as well. This is Dr.Tamari. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the inside.